To access the Sacramento Bee Collection Historic and Current, you will first go to the California State Library website by typing in library.ca.gov into the address bar. You will then select the Online Resources button on the home page. On the Online Resources page, you will find all our online resources in alphabetical order. You can either click on the letter the resource starts with to be taken to that section, or you can use the Filters button on the left-hand side of the page to select the types of resources you want to see. You can also type in additional keywords to filter the resources. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will click on S to find the Sacramento Bee Collection. The page will automatically scroll down to S, and it is the first resource on the list. Before accessing this resource, you'll be prompted to authenticate your account by logging in with your California State Library card credentials. You can use your library card barcode or work email address to log in. For this demonstration, I will be logging in with a test account. After authenticating your account, you'll be taken to the Newsbank database that houses the Sacramento Bee Collection. On Newsbank, you can create an optional Newsbank account to save articles and searches, and also set up email alerts when new Sacramento Bee content is uploaded. Creating a Newsbank account is not required to view newspapers, but necessary if you want to use the Save and Alert features. On this page, you can search all the Sacramento Bee issues or use the advanced search. To see the full image newspaper, you will select the source that has the date you wish to see with image under format. So let's look for the June 1st, 2023 issue. I will select the third link down as it has the correct date ranges and is for the image version. After clicking, you can browse the dates of the Sacramento Bee. I will change the year to 2023. And then I will select June 1st. Now you can browse the newspaper by scrolling the thumbnails on the right, using the arrow keys, or jumping to a specific page. The top menu allows you to zoom in and zoom out, keyword search the issue, email a link of the page, clip a section of the newspaper to either download or print the whole page, download the whole page, save this page to your folder, copy a link to the page, and generate citations in different formats. These are automatic generated citations, so please check the citations for accuracy. To go back to the Sacramento Bee, you can press the back button until you get back to the Sacramento Bee Collection, or you can click the Sacramento Bee link in the upper left-hand corner, and then click See Related Sources. Now, let's find the text version of the June 1st, 2023 issue. I will select the second link as it has the correct date range and is for the text version. I'll change the year to 2023. And then select June 1st. The text versions of the newspaper are organized by sections, and the section types are organized alphabetically. For example, going back to the image version of this issue, you can see that the front page article is PG&E agrees to settlement, SOG fire, criminal case dismissed. But the text issue has this article under the news section lower down on the page. The text version of articles have many of the same features as the full image version, with some additions. You can slightly increase the font size by pressing the text size button. Clicking this button again will reset the font size to the default setting. The document can also be read to you by clicking the Read News document. To view more options for the web reader, you will press the 3 lines and a drop-down menu will appear. This will show the different features, including the option to download the MP3 version of the article. In the text version of the issue, you can use the arrows above to switch from the previous or the next article, or go back to the list of articles in the issue. To go back to the Sacramento Bee page is the same as before. You can either press the back button, or you can click the Sacramento Bee link in the upper left-hand corner, and then click See Related Sources. This concludes the demonstration of how to access the Sacramento Bee Collection. Thank you for your time, and if there are any questions, please contact the California State Library Information Services section at cslinfo@library.ca.gov.